I will show you how to make cake. One cup dust sugar, 1 cup flour, 1 cup oil, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 eggs. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, then start the button. In a strainer, add refined flour, baking powder, then stir 3 times. In a mixer jar, add powdered sugar. Now add oil. Now blend it. Now I am putting 3 eggs in the jar. Then mix it at medium speed. It becomes light and floppy. In the mixer, add vanilla essence. Now blend it. Put the bowl for 1 minute to make it heat. In the strained flour, adding butter. Now I am mixing. Cut and fold. Cut and fold. Now grease the bowl with butter or oil. Dusting some flour. Put the mixing batter in the bowl. Now it is ready for baking. Push the convection mode 180 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. Now see it is cooked within it or not. it with toothpick or fork. If it is sticky, then bake again 8 minutes. Keep it in room temperature for 10 minutes. Now it is ready. Take a knife, go round to loose the cake. Take a large plate, then remove the cake. Now stain the icing sugar.